unsigned long int, which is consist of the memory 8 byte and ranges from -2 caret 63 to 2 caret 63 minus 1, and the format specifier is the %LLD. Then unsigned long int, these are the memory size 8 byte and ranges from 0 to 18446 744 073 709 551 615, and format specifier is the %LLU. Then sign char, these are the important, these are the one memory byte ranges from -1 to 8 and 1 to 7, and for format specifier is the %C. This is also a single char. Sign word is not used before the character. Then unsigned char, it is also a 1 byte and ranges from 0 to 255 character. Char is the data type which is only used for character stored, and integer, float, these are the numerical data types. Float is the floating decimal point. It is the 4 byte memory, the ranges which is not included in here, and the format specifier is the %F. Double is the 8 byte memory, and the format specifier is the %LF. Then long double, these are the 16 bytes in memory, and format specifier is the LF. We can use the size of operator to check the size of variable. See the following program used for the use of variable data types. Size of operator, which is used for what is the memory bytes of particular data type, which is also checked by using the size of operator. So the program is #include stdio.h, these are the header files. Int main, these are the main function which is started in C programming. These are the starting line. Int a, these are the variable declaration. Int a equals to 1 means variable a contains the one value which is data type is integer. Then second is the char b is equals to single quote g. These are the b is the variable which is data type is char means character, which is include the single character, that is g. Double is the floating point data type which is variable is c, and it includes 3.14 value. For the numerical value, it does not require the single quote, but if you want to store any character, it requires the single quote. And then printf statement, hello world \n semicolon, these are the first statement which is used for only printing. Then second statement, printf hello, I am a character, my value, my size is %LU byte \n, and b \n double quote complete comma b comma size of character consists of character data type, can use of size of b above as well. Okay, if next print statement is hello, I am a integer, my value is %d and my size is LU bytes. The size of character is int. Then hello, I am a double floating point variable, my value is %LF and my size is %LU bytes. \n c is the variable, and size of is the function which gives the value of data types size of double. Then printf by see you soon, these are the statements of the C programming. So for these are the output. Please let's check the first statement. We have printed the hello world. These are the simple words, these are the simple statement which is used in C program. it does not require the any data types, okay, or format specifier. Then second is the hello, I am a character, my value G and my size is 1 byte. So please listen, please carefully listen. Hello, I am a character, my value is %c. %c is consist of regarding the G value, means it's related to the G value, which is the which is the data type is char, and its size is, which is denoted by %lu. %lu is the data type format specifier, and %c is the accessing the element which is stored in variable G. Okay, so hello, I am character and my value is G, which is stored in B, and my size is 1 byte. Okay, the next statement is the hello, which is same as the character also, but format specifier and size of the integer is different. Then second, hello, I am integer, my value is %d and my size is %lu bytes. So the my value is 1 and my size is 4 bytes. These are the 4 bytes which is included in program. So then the third statement, hello, I am a double floating point variable, my value is %lf and my size is %lu. Then C, and then the size of operator is the double. Then the floating point, hello, I am a double floating point variable, my value is 3.1400 and my size is 8 bytes, and last statement will be printed by see you soon. Please check the format specifier of the in program is there is a one mistake. Please check. Double floating point, double is the floating point and format specifier is the %f. You should check, you should be correct the %. There is no mistake. %lf and size of the integer, 1 minute, integer is the %d. So one mistake is there. The next printf statement, that is hello, I am integer, my value %d and my size of lu bytes in size of, which is also correct. My size is which is regarding for the integer value, so we have to mention the %lu bytes. Okay, this program is correct, not to worry about. Please write down this program and maintain the record in your copy. Okay, the next topic is the operators in data type. If you have any queries regarding the data types in C++, please ask me. Don't worry about it, the doubt will be clear earlier. Okay.